Welcome to Programming for Juniors. Today we are going to start a new programming language, and it is nothing but Ruby programming. Ruby programming is one of the popular programming languages, and it has a very robust and very fast, very beautiful um, robust, and fast framework. And it's called Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails created on Ruby programming. Ruby programming is the most simplest and easiest programming language because it was created to make simpler the programming language, to make it easy than any other programming languages. All right. So if we want to learn Ruby programming language, first and foremost, we have to download and install Ruby programming software. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download and install Ruby programming software and start programming from right now. Right? Well and good. If you are watching the video tutorial here at Programming for Juniors for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video or video tutorial, you can get a notification. And this channel is creating content on different programming languages and web technologies, full stack web development, full stack software development, software engineering, and many more topics. And you are getting all of these courses for free. You know, programming boot camps are very expensive. You have to pay just for 3 months. If you attend in any programming bootcamp or web development bootcamp, you have to pay at least $10,000 to $25,000 just to attend 3 months programming course. And we are giving it for free, absolutely free. Okay. If you want to mm, support us, you can click here and go to GoFundMe and donate any amount. Even a single dollar can make difference. And we have also PayPal. You can click here and you can contribute so that we can keep continuing creating more video tutorials on different programming languages. Okay, those who want to learn front-end web development, it might take 3 to 6 months. Okay, for kids, it might take 3 to 6 months, and for seniors, it will take 3 to 4 months. If you want to learn full stack web development or full stack software development, for juniors, it might take 10 to 12 months, and for seniors, it will take 6 months. All right. And definitely you can learn everything for free, but it will take uh, a little longer time to absorb the topic. Okay, you can learn free, but at the same time, if you want to have a better experience learning to code or learning to program and want to learn faster with a teacher completely online, you can join our courses and definitely it will be affordable. For juniors, we are teaching um, from scratch, from beginners to intermediate level, okay? And front-end web development courses for juniors are of 6 months, and for 6 months, we are charging just $600, $100 per month. And for the seniors, a little more. Actually, you are taking $500 per month, and the course will be 6 months. After completing this course, you can work online, completely online from anywhere in the world. You can work as a freelancer or you can work remotely. All right. If you go to indie.com, excuse me, and if you want to uh, see remote jobs in Python right now, um, 638 positions are available in New York City, and in Java 600, okay, PHP 113, Rails developer 69, Python new, not remote, 5,900, almost 6,000. So, and if you want to check like mm, web developer, remote, we want remote, okay, and you see uh, 3,900, 800 right now. Remote developer is required only in the United States of America, and remotely you can get per year 50 to 70,000 dollars if you have at least 1 or 2 years experience. You can get even more, $100,000. Okay, that is why programming, learning to code is worth. Okay, if you just learn 6 months, if you code 2 to 3 hours every single day, you can learn anything you want. If you can just type and read, you are good to go. All right, now let's start installing Ruby on Rails. Just type rubyinstaller.org, okay, and press enter. Before I download and install, I want to check whether we have Ruby. I just type git bash. If you don't have git bash, the software on your computer, just check one of the videos. There is an instruction how to download and install git bash on your computer, both in English and Bengali. Okay, and check. Uh, let's type whether, uh, let's check whether we have Ruby on our laptop. Okay, I'm using Windows 10 and I just type Ruby uh, a space dash V means version, Ruby command not found. So there is no Ruby at all. So I just click on download and I can actually choose any one. It can be without dap key or with dap key. I choose Ruby with dap kit and version is this 266. Just my system is 64 bits. You can check here. Just type control panel will be pop up and press enter and just click on system and security. Okay, and go to system and you can check your system type. My system type is system 64-bit operating system 64 base processor. So if you are using 64 bits, just choose 64. If you are using 32 bits, use X 86. So I'm using 64 bits, so I just click here and it might take 10 to 15 seconds to be downloaded on my computer. Now, depending on the speed of your computer and internet speed, it might take little more than 15 seconds. It might take 20 to 30 seconds. Uh, my one taking little more time because though I'm using the fastest internet in my area, still it is taking more time. Okay, it has been downloaded, then just click here, okay, and go to click on show in folder. It will be shown in folder. Okay, I have Ruby installer one and I have definitely another one, that is why showing one in bracket. Okay, just right button click or you can double click run as administrator. Excuse me. Then do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will say yes. Now see, there is a very beautiful picture of a dashing girl, okay, young lady, very beautiful, charming, and here is handsome boy. Uh, he stands for a user, okay, and the beautiful lady stands for front end, okay, front end, and the heart is stands for backend. The user can see the front end, very beautiful. User cannot see the backend. Only the developers can see the backend. Okay, so if you want to become a full stack programmer or full stack web developer or software developer, you have to learn both front end, how to make it beautiful, and also backend. Okay, uh, I will say yes because I want to install it on my computer. Okay, and accept the license, go through the terms and conditions if you have time, then click on next. Okay, uh, just check in each and every step. Okay, just check in like this. If there isn't, and click on install. Already exists. However, mm, maybe there are little part of Ruby software because I already uninstalled before I download. And I want to also choose this one and click next. It might take 10 to 15 seconds. Excuse me. taking a little longer time than usual. Definitely. It will be smooth, I think. And let's wait for a moment. Now, learning to code or program is worth. Why? The demand is very high in the market, in the job market. If you can learn well after 6 months, you can be a very good programmer or good web developer, and you can work from anywhere in the world. And um, developers are highly paid, okay, and constantly you will have the opportunity to develop and update yourself. That's the beauty of this profession. Even you can make extra income just creating video tutorials on different online platforms all over the world. Even you can teach on YouTube, and you can receive um, very decent amount of revenue from YouTube and also from uh, affiliation. Okay, affiliate marketing. When you put some links down the video or below the video, anyone clicks on the link and purchase anything, you will get 50% of the commission. So if a training cost $500 per sale, you can receive 250. This is the beauty of programming. Always you have opportunities to get extra income. That's amazing. Or even you can train people one-on-one from anywhere in the world. You can create some videos on YouTube and you can offer um, one-on-one tutoring, and people around the world can be your students. If you have like 30 viewers or subscribers, means you have 30, you have a classroom. If you have 100 subscribers, means you have uh, students to teach 100 students. If you have 500 subscribers, means you have a stadium where you can address whatever expertise you have. Okay, if you have 1,000 subscribers, always you can have at least 20 students. Trust me, that's the beauty of YouTube marketing. I say marketing uh, because actually when you upload any video on YouTube or on Facebook or on any social media, you are advertising yourself, your skill, the product you can sell to the audience. Okay, when you have 5,000 subscribers, you are getting a couple of $100 from YouTube for ad revenue, AdSense revenue. You are making extra income, couple of $100 from affiliate marketing, and you will have at least 20-30 students every single month from 5,000 subscribers. Okay, So once you start teaching, uploading your knowledge, your skills, you start making money. That's the beauty of becoming a YouTuber or teaching on YouTube. Now, Ruby installer for Windows. Now we have one, two, three. Base installation is very important. So I type just one, then press enter, and it will install everything you need to run Ruby. You see, lot of things we can see. Still, it is being installed. So beautiful. Caution. This first starts must restart, apply necessary actions. You can or you cannot. Uh, I just type 2. This is optional though. If you don't want to update, not necessary. Okay. And finally, I have number 3 to be installed. And number 3 is the supporting software. Right. Upgrading the system. Succeeded. You see? Succeeded. Okay. So powerful software. It's updating, upgrading my system. Okay. That are necessary to run the program. And finally, I have to install the third one. Just I have to type 3 and press enter. That's it. Very simple and straightforward. Ruby installer make it so easy. All right. It is taking a little longer, but not a problem. Again, those who are new to this channel, just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new tutorial or new video, you can get a notification. And those who are interested to learn programming, web development, web programming, software development, we have uh, an email uh, in about us section. Okay, go and find the email and you can email us for any queries. You can make an arrangement for your son or daughter, for your kids. We are charging just $100 per month, and class will be on weekends. On Friday evening, Eastern time, we have a batch, 1 day class just for 1.5 hours. And on Sunday, we have practice. We practice together completely online. And if you are seniors, uh, 18 plus, you can be 70 years old or 80 years old, no problem. But if you want to learn, you want to program, you want to code, you want to learn computer programming, you can also contact with us. It's a 6 months course. we charge $500 per month, and if you want to pay at a time, 200 $500, $2,500, and within 6 months you can complete front-end web development and back-end web development. You will become a full stack software developer, and you can make at least 65 to $100,000 per year working remotely from home from anywhere in the world. Then I just type number 3 and press enter, and it's properly being installed, all necessary software, and we see toolchain succeeded. Okay, which components shall be installed? Actually, we install each and everything to 1, 2, 3. Okay, uh, unsure, so I just press enter, and we are ready to start programming with Ruby. Now we can just type git. Now if you don't have the git version control, if you don't have this software, check in this channel. You will find two video tutorials how to download and install git version control on your computer, both in English and Bengali. Okay, now I just type Ruby space -v, and you see now we have 2.6.6 version Ruby here. Now today I'm not using any code editor. Okay, though we have the code editor, check the preparing dev environment section on this YouTube channel, where you can find how you can set up your dev environment, how you can download and install Visual Studio Code and necessary software. Okay, now puts is Ruby statements. It's just like print statements in Python, or system.out println in Java. Okay, or console.log in JavaScript. Okay, and I say hello. It says bash puts command not found because it is git bash. We are not using git bash. For Ruby, we have to use interactive Ruby, IRB. Okay, the command is IRB, interactive Ruby. Press enter, and here is interactive Ruby. And now you can start writing puts and space. Then you can say hello Ruby. And you see it's returning, it's printing hello Ruby. Even if you can just use P and say hello Ruby. I love Ruby programming. Okay. You see, hello Ruby. I love Ruby programming. The difference between puts and P, only P, is it doesn't have quotation. It didn't print a quotation mark, but P printing along with quotations. Even you can say print hello Ruby programmers. Okay. You see, it's printing hello Ruby programmers. At the same time printing nil on the same line. Whereas puts printing in different line. Okay, now I just say country name equal to Bangladesh, and I can say puts, okay, puts I am from, this is hashtag curly braces, okay, and inside the hashtag curly braces I just write the country name. I can just copy, oh, sorry, I can say puts I am from hashtag curly braces and paste it country name. This is a variable. Variable is nothing but a container that stores data. Country name is a variable, okay, and inside the variable we store the data Bangladesh, and inverted comma, and now you can see what is going to be printed. I'm from Bangladesh. I didn't write here Bangladesh, but we call it interpolation, right? Okay, concatenation and interpolation is a little different. They're doing the same job, little different. Okay, we will learn step by step. Now, a is equal to, these are integer, right? Integer data types. These are strings. Strings always are written inside the inverted comma. Okay, strings are nothing but the mm, composition of uh, different characters, letters. It can be combination of letters and also integer, like 100 and b is equal to 20, say for example, and we can say c is equal to a plus b, okay, and I can print c with puts statements. Puts statement is an inbuilt method, okay, you see, and you can also just say puts a divided by b, you see, we can also divide, and you can also say a minus b, okay, and you can also multiply. You can say puts a into b is equal to 2000, okay. So in many ways we can start programming, okay. You love it, right? That's all for today, and in the next tutorial, we will learn all data types and how they can be used and how they can be useful while we are writing code or program. Programming is nothing but a set of instructions for a computer, how the computer will work. Okay, all right, that's all for today. Again, If you are watching the video tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Download and install Ruby programming on your computer and start programming from today. Okay, you will love it. And you can learn free just using our YouTube channel. But if you want to have better experience, want to um, learn smoothly, more effectively, and quickly, get enrolled with us. Just send us an email. We social your brand at gmail.com. You can find our Gmail address in the about section of this YouTube channel. Okay, and you can start coding from day one. You can uh, arrange an opportunity for you kids, or if you want to learn yourself, you can learn with us, and we are affordable. We are not charging $10,000. Okay. If you want to support us, just click here and go fund me. It will take you to go fund me. Even a single dollar can make difference. Okay. And we have another YouTube channel. Okay. We discuss programming for seniors. Actually, this YouTube channel is not only for juniors, but also for seniors who really serious and want to learn programming. And we have list what you can learn with us. Okay. And we have also a Gmail address where you can contact with us. Right? Thank you so much. Happy New Year.